Hey, I'm Samuel David of King Davis Contractors, and we're on this beautiful new renovation. We already started. Follow us along on this amazing journey. We're doing a full brick removal on this entire house. We're going to replace it with all brand new sheathing and then replace it with brand new siding. The main structure is staying exactly as is. We're adding a 20 by 20 extension. We're extending the basement, first floor, and second floor. On the interior, we're extending the dining room, the kitchen, and the master bathroom and bedroom. Right now, we're leveling all the floors throughout the entire house, bringing everything to one clean, even plane, so that the new layout flows perfectly from room to room. We're extending the kitchen and transforming it into a chef's kitchen. Something they've been dreaming of for a long time. More space, more functionality, and the layout finally matches the way the family lives. This renovation isn't about adding square footage. It's about elevating the way this family lives every single day. Follow us along as we transform this beautiful home into a one-of-a-kind.